G'day, it's Dan from KPD4x4. Today we're at Quadrant Suspensions in Melbourne. We've chosen these guys to be our Bilstein shock supply for our four-wheel drive customers. Quadrant have worked with Germany to develop a range of specific applications for our Australian vehicles. Let's go and check them out.
Right, ready when you are.
Okay, well, what we're going to do now is pull this Bilstein 46mm shock absorber apart in our filling and gassing machine. So firstly what I'll do is I'll pull the machine up. We'll depress the piston rod. Now what we'll do, we'll put a steel billet on for pressing the top package down. Push the package down, take the circle out. Push the ram up, take the billet out. Drop the top seal package out. Drop the oil out. So the rebound stopper come up. Now we see the piston start to show. Just square it up in the machine. Piston with its piston ring. Following that is the dividing piston with the gas behind it. And out comes the gas. There we have piston, rebounder, top seal package, 14mm bichrome quality shaft.
Perfect.
So that's basically the setup of the piston stack. Varies. This is a digressive. You can have linear, you can have progressive. Well, when we build four-wheel drive shocks in particular, we test the vehicle, find out whether we need digressive, linear, depending on the vehicle. We test that, build the stack up, test it on the car, build another stack if it's not right, test it on the car again. Then it goes out into the field to some of our other customers, tested there, then we go to Bilstein and they produce the product for us.
Jim, can you give us an indication of what type of valving is used on something like a Ford Ranger?
Ford Ranger runs digressive, okay. The main reason it runs digressive is because you don't want a linear stack, because you want the wheel to recover all the time down through the bumps, okay. You don't, a digressive lets the valving slow down, so you get into big bumps and that, the wheel will drop down through the holes. Over corrugations or run the corrugations, whereas a linear builds up its rate. Digressive drops off the rate. Okay, so we run in all of our four-wheel drive shocks digressive. That's our current system. That's the new, like Ranger, Colorado, any of those, Toyota Hilux, we run digressive. Works well. And then we also check out the heat, most of them when we've finished valving them run to 190 degrees C, no problem, all day, all night. No fade, so it's just perfect. And running it in the Monotube means that what you're getting is good heat dissipation. The whole idea of a shock absorber is to convert the spring energy into heat energy, then dissipate it. Yep. So through a Monotube, dissipates it really well. If you've got two tubes, harder to get out.
Right. What about the Bilstein has a 46mm piston. Mm-hmm. When you compare it to, say, a 35mm piston in a twin tube, mm-hmm. What are we talking about in terms of, obviously it's it's 11mm larger in diameter.
Yep.
What does that actually mean in real world terms, in terms of control?
Well, the bigger surface area, right, means it's more, you can control all your compression and rebound better, okay? Bigger area, better displacement, bigger area, less heat build up, so it's just an overall better thing.
Yeah, so basically it doesn't have to work as hard to control the vehicle.
That's exactly right, yeah, exactly right.
Good stuff.